Hey guys, Kevin Fatty here, and today I want to do a video for David's NAM's Profit Planners, and I've got an awesome bonus for you guys. You're going to get access to basically 3 products, 2 which are not even released yet, and I've also got a $97 bonus from David as well. Now, I want to do this video because I want to talk about the offer, the pricing, and everything that's included. It's a little bit confusing, especially when I've got 3 pricing options on the page, and I just want to explain everything clearly to you guys. And I do believe sometimes opportunities come around like this where you can save a lot of money long term, and we know it through our own special offers where we run, you could say, yearly deals or lifetime deals, and people snap them up for very, very good reason. So I want to explain that to you guys as well. So in a nutshell, David releases planners every single month that you can use in your business to get better results. This month's release is Making Business Stress-Free. You've got a textbook, workbook, checklist, tools, idea generators, and another idea generator as well. So basically, I've reviewed these. They're excellent, well-formatted PDFs with checklists that you can go through. You can knock off the things that you have to do, plan out your day, look at the workbook, etc. And they're things that can help you in your business. Not only today, but actually long term. If anyone's following me for any length of time, you know that I am massive into productivity. I'm massively into planning out my days, my weeks, my months, my years. So this topic, I believe, it's just something people really, really need to know. Now, I'm going to get into my bonuses, and then we're going to go back and revisit this sales page here. So what I'm going to be offering you guys is we've got 4 bonuses. Bonus number 1 is Kevin's Productivity Hacks, which is a 1-hour training showing you how I'm productive in my business every single day. Regardless if we're at the computer or not, there's different hacks that you can actually use to be extra productive in your business. So it's a 1-hour training. On top of that, you're going to get my Productivity Hacks yearly planner in Google Docs and Google Sheets, and then you've got an outsourcing daily task template as well, and you've got a 15-minute training video showing you how to use them. That is bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is I Am Checklist V27. Now, just note, we only released V26. V27 will not be released until the 1st of March. Now, I'm giving you guys is basically the PDF version. So you're going to get 18 PDFs showing you how to be more productive. And here's the list. Creating a yearly plan, breaking down your daily plan, outsourcing daily tasks, software to track and manage, follow the rule, to-do list, prioritizing, reviewing your day, multitasking, distractions. If this is an outstanding volume, guys, that can just help anyone with daily tasks and planning. It will not be released until March, but we have everything ready. The PDFs are ready, so if you decide to pick up this offer, you're going to get instant access to that. On top of that, this is a new product. This is part of a product which will not be released until next week, but it's just all got to do with planning and being productive and everything that we do in our business daily. So this is my personal accounts planner and training video. Let me just open that up. And this shows you, it's basically I'm only using fake figures here, but anyone can type in their numbers and see you've got all your daily expenses, then you've got your bank accounts, then you've got your income from different sources, and it'll give you an idea of, okay, at the end of the month, what you're going to earn, what you've saved, your balance after your expenses, what you should be paying taxes on, your upcoming taxes, and your balance at the end of the month. It's a simple system I use every 2 or 3 days. I just type in some numbers here, and it just updates me on where my are with our funds. So it's really, really cool. There's a full training video with that as well. And finally, there's one more bonus David provided. This actually sells for $97. This is a training course called 12 Steps to Building a Better Business. Now, as you can see here, it sells for $97, but I have got a special link to give you access to this course for free. So this is the checkout page, and the link that I'm going to give you guys will have an opt-in page, so you get instant free access to this course as well. So the bonuses, guys, are outstanding. Now let's get back to the offer and the pricing options. As you can see, it's monthly planners, and This month is stress-free business. Next month is making more money with blogging. And over the next 12 months, save marketer, matchmaker, make it easy for your clients to find you, turn around your sales. So it's consistently new content, which I love. And then you can see the previous past planners as well, everything that's been covered. So here's the interesting part and the pricing module. We have $14.99 gives you access to the stress-free business and 3 bonus planners with that option, and it is $14.99 per month. So you get instant access to that, and every month you get new planners and you're charged $14.99. Now obviously if you just want to check it out, you can check it out, get these planners, and obviously cancel if you do not plan on staying on. But let's look at this. This is $99.99 and it's a one-time payment. There's no recurring on this. I thought there would be recurring, but this is a one-time payment of $99.99. It gives you all the planners, all the previous planners that we've seen on this page, and all the future planners for $19.99. So you're getting 30 planners. Let me just pull up a calculator here. Let's say they're sold for $19.99, but normally the membership price is $29.99. This is a monthly special, so $14.99 multiplied by 30 is $449. So you're saving $350 there. And then you have the annual option of $59.99, and you get 6 previous planners with that. To me, guys, it's a no-brainer. I will be picking this up myself. I will be picking up the $99.99 offer because it makes sense. Obviously, if you're on a smaller budget, this is fine. Or if you want to get more planners again, this is fine. But you can see it clear. This is $14.99. You get 3 bonuses. And if you want everything else, you pay $14.99 per month. This is $100. One-time payment, and you get access to all the past and all the future, everything that's to come in 2000, and all these and all these. To me, that's a steal. That's the one I would be inclined to go to as well. So this is the overview video, guys. I wanted to explain the offer. I wanted to explain the bonuses. I wanted to explain the prices, and just this is a small quick launch. Once this launch is over, this goes back to $29.99 per month. This goes to $199 per year, and this goes to $99 per year. So it is just, don't delay in any way, shape or form if you're thinking of jumping on this. Right, your bonuses, this is sold via Warrior Plus. I will be adding bonus links for all the offers, so regardless which one you pick up, you'll get instant access to all the bonuses from me. So this is Kevin Faddy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you decide to pick it up, I hope you enjoy the bonuses and all the training that we've coming for you. Have an awesome day, guys. Cheers.